Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here in Mud Lake, and this is a lake which is present near Lincoln Fields, and you can walk, and now you can see it's completely frozen. The lake is completely frozen, and today we are going to discuss the topic of how did I get teaching assistant in University of Ottawa. So many students had this question like, how did you get the teaching assistant job? So back then when I was in India, I had applied. There was an email that came from the engineering department, that is the faculty of engineering, especially for University of Ottawa I'm speaking about, and might be the same for all the other universities. So I had got the email from faculty of engineering, and then I just went there and I applied to it. So when applying, they asked me for my resume. They asked me several personal details like name, the phone number, the address, and the email ID, that is the official university email ID, followed by there were 5 different questions. The 5 different questions were did you have any research work that you did? Can be a project, or finally a project, or can be anything. So that was the first question. The next question was like, what are the different subjects that you studied during your engineering and during the other that is the course related work. The third question was your domain of expertise, whether you have any experience. And the fourth and fifth were on similar basis, on what subject are you interested in, and what are your what are your key improvements, or what are your works, whether you have published in research paper. So that's it. So these 5 questions are the very important questions that you need to answer. What happens is many students, they keep these questions blank, and they just they upload their resume and they submit it. So this is not done. So make sure you attempt these 5 questions properly and answer them properly. Give your 100% to these 5 questions, because they pay you a huge amount of money. Because for a teaching assistant, the pay per hour is around $46.45. That's the expected pay, and usually the pay remains the same, that is around $40 to $46.45 and little above. So the pay is very high. So make sure you answer these 5 questions properly. Once you answer these questions properly, you get a mail wherein you will have to upload your resume. And then you upload your resume. Make sure your resume is like it has all the information, so make sure that is there. And after that, once you are done by uploading resume, wait for some time, like a week or two, and then you get a mail if your profile is well suited for any subjects that you apply. You can apply for as many subjects as you want. So there were a number of subjects, like 20-30 subjects, for example. So I had applied for at least nearly like 10 to 15 subjects, and I got in a TA position for engineering design. And yeah, so you'll get a contract, you'll get a intimation that there is an interview for a particular subjects if your profile got selected. Now in the interview, the normal questions asked are why do you want why should I select you, and what special thing that you have done in this subject, and whether you have in-depth knowledge of this subject. So make sure you prepare for all this information prior to the interview, because once you get the interview will not be the next day, it will be after like 3-4 days. So make sure within these 3 days you know all the answers, or all at least something about that particular subject, and go ahead with the interview. So once you get selected in the interview, the next step is you get a contract. You get a mail first saying that you have been appointed, you have got an employment in this particular subject, followed which you get the contract details. Now in the contract details, they ask you many informations like bank information, the SIN number, and yeah, your personal details. So I was in India when I got this, and I had requested my faculty that I'll be landing to Canada after 1 month. So my contract started after 1 month, because I didn't have any information like bank and SIN. Once I came to Canada, I got this information and I gave them, and my contract started. And first 4 months, from September, October, November, December, I was working. And once again, I have got a teaching assistant job for the same subject, engineering design, for the next term, that is the fall term, I had got it, and for the winter term as well, I applied and I got into. So it's very easy. I don't say it's easy, but yeah, make sure you apply it, make sure you know all the deadlines, make sure you answer all the 5 questions properly, make sure you prepare your resume properly, and you attend the interview and give your 100% to that. That's it. So if you have any doubts, please mention it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you all, and enjoy this beauty. It's really amazing. I wanted this location basically for this video, and I was waiting that it should not snow and it should not rain. The temperature right now is -11 and it's very cold. I'm shivering, but yeah. So hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, do mention in the comment section. Thank you.